Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Just here to unbox a couple of newer batteries. I recently bought a V-mount battery. I needed some slightly higher voltage for something, but I also run some lights that have that can take Sony NP-F style batteries. I saw these ones online. I buy quite a few newer products. Most of them I found to be quite good. Now, I'll start to unbox this, and then I'll also go into why I've bought this, so that by the end of the video, not only will you know what comes in the box for this particular battery, actually this is a pair of batteries, but it may give you some ideas, and then you can maybe work out whether this suits you or some other battery. So yeah, anyway, let's start. I'll just cut this little seal here and get this open. Now we can see this, yeah, that's not going to be very cooperative, is it? Yeah. You can see this, when it's been delivered, the company's given it a good bit of a beating there, so we'll see if it's damaged at all. This one particular courier seems to always have an issue. Anyway, it's not going to be a problem because it hasn't hit on the corner of the batteries by the look of it. So what you get, a warning about disposal, how to dispose of your battery. Well, if it's brand new, I'm not going to dispose of it, but anyway, thank you for that. Batteries, in case you don't know, all types of batteries, you don't throw them in your normal rubbish, recycle them. The materials in all batteries, doesn't matter which type, are not to go in landfill if you can help it. This can all be recycled and reused. You get a user manual, so it's going to tell you how to use the batteries. Looks like you get a couple of USB-C cables, so I don't need to explain that. So they've given two USB-C to USB-C cables, and they look to be of quite good quality too. I don't know if you can see that, but it's they're not thin. They feel quite good. So I'll just leave that there for now. Let's get one of these batteries out. Oh, we'll get them both out and sit them on the table, but I don't need to take the plastic off both, I imagine. Let's take that out. Leave the box there so you can see, in case you want to look it up. So this one's called the F970. So all these batteries are around 7.2 volts. So you put the two of them together, you can get 14 on some systems. Now I'll go into why I like this battery. So they've given us a cover here. So okay, that, believe it or not, you might think is nothing. You might think throw it away. Don't throw this away. When you travel, you need to cover your batteries, and when you travel, all batteries, you carry them on board. Never ever put these checked in, ever. It doesn't matter, unless the airline tells you you can, or even on buses or things like that. Try and carry them with you for a number of reasons. I'll just go into one of the reasons, is because you can actually use it to charge. So you've got, on this one, you've got USB-A port and USB-C, which is both input and output. So you can actually charge your phone or whatever, anything that takes USB-C, you can use this to charge. Anything with a USB-A, so if you've got a micro, something that takes micro USB, get yourself a cable and you can charge that also. So this is handy to have when you're out and about, not just as a Sony NP-F battery. So that's one of the uses. Some lights and things will take two Sony type batteries like this, NP-F style batteries. So if you've got two of them, you can use that to power lights. But this can be used so many different ways. So now part of the reason I like this one. So you've got a press button. You can get these with the USB-C like this, but it has no indicator on it. So you have to put it into a charger to get an idea. This one's telling you, so it's got 50% power. That's quite a good indication. So that's handy to have. These are 7,800 milliamp hour from memory, each one. So you'll get quite a bit from one of these. In some ways, using two of these, or even using one, may mean it's just as useful as a V-mount battery. Not a full-size V-mount, but as a mini V-mount, definitely could be useful. So yeah, I've got them for that reason. I can use them to run my lights. I can use them to charge other things. I can use them as two together to run some larger lights as well. I can get PD power supply out of here, so the voltage is going to be quite good for anything that's doing USB-C. And you can use it on any Sony or any product that takes an NP-F style battery. So these are a win-win all the way around. Not only that, the price of two of these is cheaper, much cheaper, than one small mini V-mount battery. So yeah. Anyway, please put any comments or any thoughts below. I will comment if there's anything that I need to say about these things. But that's what you get in the box, and there's an overview of how you can use them. And I hope you found that somewhat helpful. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.